Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we have another Dollar Tree haul. Oh goodness, you guys. I went to a different one. Well, it's not a different one. It's just not the one I normally go to. It's the one in Buckeye, which I know some of you beauties go there. So let me show you what I got. I got this little tin. So if you're going to DIY with me, grab a tin. And I also got this, you guys. It's called glittered drape. And oh, as soon as I saw it, it took me back to, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old. I have no idea, but all I can remember is my grandmother's little nativity scene. And oh, I was able to inherit that. And I'll tell you, it is the cutest darn thing because snow. Did it snow at the nativity scene? I don't know, but at my grandma's it did. Also, the little lamb had a matchstick for a leg, so it still does. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to get that nativity scene out and build it right away. So there you go, my childhood. I also picked up some little comfy socks. Look at those, have little glitteries on them. And then those. And there's going to be a little bit of a theme, and I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what do you think that I'm going to be doing with this stuff. Well, this one, I'll tell you, I'm just going to eat it. This is the Russell Stover's marshmallow and caramel chocolates. You guys, they have these at C's Candies, and I just love them. I always, like, if I ever stop in, like, they give you a free taster, I'm always hoping that it's the marshmallow caramel one. So we'll see how these turn out. There's not a whole lot. It's just a little pack, so that'll be good just to have out on the table. All right, I picked up, some of these are going to be stocking stuffers, so don't guess stocking stuffers, but I got some little goobers here, right? And then for the littles, they like this kind of stuff, the candy kind of stuff, not the chocolate kind of stuff. And speaking of littles, one of them, as I took him to piano practice today, he's like, oh, I see some Smarties. And then he opened them, and now I have all these Smarties everywhere. So, okay. So they're these huge Smarties. Do you remember Smarties? Look how huge they are. It was a big pack. That was supposed to go in a stocking, but not going to happen. I also picked up some gift wrap tape. You guys, it's Scotch brand. How can you go wrong with Scotch brand? And it's a Dollar Tree, so maybe it's just that there's not a lot. But it seems like every year I'm always having to get new Scotch tape. This one, I just see that it's open. The little tape wasn't very good. But look at these. They are the kind of like command hooks. Now, I only use these on DIYs. I don't use them on my walls because I've heard that they're not the greatest for walls. They don't come off as easily, or that they don't stick as well. So not very trustworthy, I'm guessing. But I use these to, you know, make DIY stuff out of. And this one I'm actually going to put on the back of one of my chairs that sit outside on the porch so that I can put this on the back and then hang and flip it around a little, I'd have to put it on upside down so that it'll hook, and then I can bring a wreath around. Do you understand what I'm saying? Let me know if you understand in the comments down below. And then, oh gosh. Oh goodness. So, more Smarties, really. It's nothing amazing. But apparently he did not eat them all. I think he only had one because he said they were a sour. So, and then finally, the last thing I got were these little popcorn bags. So let me know what you think I'm going to be making and put it down in the comments, and then watch for the next DIY video because it's going to be out very shortly because it's going to be quick and easy and a great little gift. So, all right, beauties. I hope you like my Dollar Tree DIY. No. Well, I do hope you like my Dollar Tree DIYs, but I hope you like my Dollar Tree hauls. If you do, make sure you hit that like button and then make sure you comment below what I'm going to be making with some of this stuff here. It's not the nativity scene. I already gave you that. And it's not stocking stuffers because I already gave you that. It's something else. All right. I hope you guys have a great evening and I will talk to you later. Bye.